Hi, I'm Remi Ishizuka, creator of RRAYYME.com, a platform where I share daily fitness and motivational tips on healthy living and living a balanced lifestyle. Here are my 4 tips to bringing a little wellness into your workspace. My first tip is keep it neat. I basically have everything in its place. My notebook, my pen, a candle. The more thought I've put into my space, the more calm and collected I feel. My second tip is keeping on top of it. I use my bullet journal. So on Sunday, I map out my entire week. That way I see all of my events ahead of time. I know what I need to plan for and what to expect for the week. And when I need a little motivation, I have a little light box up here to remind me to do it now. My third tip is keep what you need on hand. So I have my water bottle here to keep me hydrated all day long, and I have my favorite cookies and cream Quest bar here. This is low in sugar and carbs. It's a perfect afternoon treat, and it's loaded with protein too, so I know I won't crash later. So my fourth tip is to keep it really natural. I went on a trip to Copenhagen 4 months ago. When I came back home, I took that inspiration with me and I redid my living room into my office. So I used to have my desk actually in this corner over here. I moved my desk to the middle of the room. It just opened up my space. It allowed more natural light to come in. Now I have a workspace that I enjoy waking up to every day and feeling really productive.